Howdy shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Jordan and Nike GR each year. So if you're looking for shoes, you found the right channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. This shoe reads the Air Max CB94 OG, black, white, pure purple. Just got a pair of these for a friend of mine, so I said I might as well get some for myself. I got the triple black. I don't know what Nike is doing with these brown ones, but they got to let us get these brown ones out there. Yeah, get this light off so we can look at this bad boy. Materials on this shoe are pretty good. I like these hits of purple. Those of you who didn't have any Charles Barkley like myself, the shoe includes a bootie, inner sock liner inside of the shoe. It's a StockX pair. Get the Nike arrow on the back like Jordan 5s. Overall, in my opinion, it's not a bad shoe. Once you get your foot into the booty, it's actually a pretty good shoe. Get you guys a little bit of action. It has 3M, I believe, so be careful. So you get the little straps behind the shoelaces with the Air Max on the tongue. Going to the side of the shoe, you see the little hits that you'll get of the little 3M silver. The air bubble, all of this is like a nubuck or a suede. Nike air on the back with another hit of that pure purple above the air bubble. This is a classic shoe. Like I said, I'm gonna get you guys a look at the booty and the inside as well. So you have to put your foot into the like a little sock liner inside of the shoe. I know some people don't like that. I really don't like that about shoes myself, but I said I had to get some of these Barkleys. Guys, let me know what you think of these Barkleys. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above all, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.